Jam your company content creation is really a struggle. I've seen so many creators talking about their workflow when it comes to content creation. What is your version? Can I know about it? Do you have a workflow? Can you show it? Why should I show it? Sure. Of course I will. Pero come on, let's head to the video. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA Community and the Barangay VA University. And for this video, I want to welcome you to our new series called The VA Sorcery Life. Okay, for this video, let's talk about content creation workflow. How do I go about it? Okay, 4 simple steps, guys, and really let's get back to Zoom so I can show you my specific workflow and how I go about it. And then bonus, I'll show you my Notion board where I put everything like all my content plans for YouTube. So let's get going, okay? First part is I research. Always remember that when you create content, you don't create content for yourself. You create content to solve the problem of your what? Of your target market. That's why it's very important to your target market is. So what I do is I ask ChatGPT, I research, and I ask the community. Of course, we have a community, and I ask them what are your current struggles right now when it comes to blah blah blah. They will all answer them. From there, I'll get an idea. Okay, what type of content will I create? Of course, the ones that are major. Yun yung pinakamadami na concern, no? Out of everything. Next, after that, after doing the research, I'll do content planning. So I'll do series planning, and then I'll do the outlining, what's inside the series, and then what's the scripting, like the script per episode, and then of course I also list down or do inventory of the tools and props that I need for the shoot. At the same time, so I do series because I want to make sure that when I create content, it's like value bomb. It's the whole shebang that they need. Okay? So I want everything to be, talagang pang malakasan for them. Pasabog, explosion, ganon. After that, guys, then I start producing the content. That's when I film the content. That's when I edit the content. And then, of course, I don't do the editing anymore. So I invested on someone to edit all my videos. Okay? And then we schedule the content, and then we caption. We do all the captioning at the same time. From there, once everything is approved, everything is scheduled with all the captions and all the thumbnails and everything that I need, then it's time to publish it on the scheduled time and date. Okay, so you launch it and then you review the performance. So on the next videos, you get better, interactions. You get better results. So a very very simple workflow, and as I promised, I'm gonna show you guys how I go about it. One moment. I want to show you how my Notion look like. So I hope you're seeing my Notion now. So this is how my Notion board look like. Okay, from there, guys, you'll see here important links like if my editor wants to hop on a call with me, so my calendar will be there. And then yung YouTube channel, my NAS community, and our Google Drive where I put all the clips that I already recorded. So after that, below that is the calendar. So as you can see, everything is planned already up to December 24. Ayun na. So as you can see, it's there already. Even the previous series, it's there already. So for example, which is this one is called. Let's check this out. The series is called No Experience Bundle, Module 8, How to Run a Discovery Call, Jam's Comments, and then here's the script already for the specific episode. So I didn't add any inspos here yet, but this was before pa. Pretty much all cards are here already. Kasi this is when I plan. So content series plans. These are the previous one. Like for example, no experience to freelancing bundle. I know some of you guys have seen this before. And then nandito na yung video inspiration. The objective is here. I communicate with my video editor here. The outline is here already. So ano naman ang outline ko? Episode number what is the title, what are the subtopics. But this doesn't mean these are the titles already in YouTube. Ah. She researched about it pa. And then the tasks here. So after I do this, then I plot everything. Okay, I plot everything sa calendar with all the scripts per episode. So whenever I film, I have the scripts there. So now, this is what I'm filming, VA Sorcerer Life. Tak, everything is here. Diba? So, and also the rest of the series that I did before. Everything is here. And sometimes if I come across a video, I just drop like video inspirations here. So this is what I use, Notion. I do have a full tutorial on how to use Notion as well. I'll link it maybe here or wherever or sa description box para alam niyo or matuto kayo ng basics. Okay, so that's how I go about my content planning and the tools that I use for content planning and creation. Okay, so that's it for me for today. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. I hope talagang valuable ang pasabog explosion ganon. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!